Today we're gonna learn about how to use a hoe. And we all need, if we are right-handed, we hold it right hand first and left hand in the middle. And we just need to pull and hold. So I'm gonna show you here. And that is how we pull out some garlic. I'm gonna show you the next one. And that is some more garlic. Let's see if I can find another one. This garlic is used as a green plant. To use the hoe, the figure is like this. I'll show you from here. You pull back and then pull down with your thumb. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up.